Los Alamitos Bay.
What up? Get
Luo. Carmelo, how you doing?
Oh, nothing much.
Oh, there's a big toad! Woo!
Went to the Texas rig. What is it? I'm not seeing it.
It's a bat ray. No, not just.
That's a spotty.
Oh!
Nice one.
There's your spotty.
Yeah. On the Texas.
Away another location to go deploy. Eastbound Mulberry.
That's him.
Yeah.
2.4.
We'll call it 2.5.
Let me see. Hold him normal.
There you go, buddy. Ching. Spike stripped his ass. I got it.
You got it good?
I got it good. Want to keep going? Okay.
What do you want to do?
I'm trying to get out of your way. I'm trying to get away from the fucking thing. I'm gonna get farmed, eh? There you go. Vámonos. Yeah, this guy's really throwing. Throwing rat, you know. The big old fucking croak note. White sea bass.
Let me see. Oh yeah, white sea bass.
White sea bass.
That's a baby white sea bass. Nice.
This one's got a beard.
Corn.
Get on the car!
Put in park, right? Yeah.
Put your hands up! Let me see your hands! Get on the car with your hands up! Get on the car with your hands up! We're doing all windows! Get out of the car with your hands up!
Police pursue suspect inside the drive-thru at Jack in the Box. The corner of Carmenita Road and Telegraph in Santa Fe Springs.
Get out of the car with your hands up!
Ruben, he's gonna move me. I gotta go.
iceberg now. You got multiple goldies.
My spotted bass chunker. Woo! Car.
Get on the car!
Put in park, right? Yeah.
Put your hands up! Let me see your hands! Get on the car with your hands up! Get on the car with your hands up! We're doing all windows! Get out of the car with your hands up!
Police pursue suspect inside a drive-thru at Jack in the Box. The corner of Carmenita Road and Telegraph in Santa Fe Springs.
Get out of the car with your hands up!
He's in movie. I gotta go.